At Associated Builders and Contractors, we're committed to protecting the families of America's builders. That's why we're bringing you new term life insurance benefits through our preferred partner, SelectQuote. In this video, we'll learn about the benefits of term life insurance and how SelectQuote can help find the right policy for your family.
SelectQuote is the largest term life insurance agency in the United States. For over 28 years, we've helped consumers really find the right policy and protection that they need to protect the ones that they've left behind.
Term life insurance is important for all families, whether it be with elderly parents or with children, because it really provides peace of mind. I mean, we don't know what can happen in the future, and should anything negative happen, the family's covered.
I had gotten out of the hospital in January and figured that I needed life insurance because clearly things can happen. My wife and I had only been married about 2.5 years. And so although we hadn't really thought about life insurance, we knew it was a decision we were going to make.
With life insurance, we talk about life stages. As you become older, you have more responsibility. You may own a home, and you have maybe more than one car. You have a family, kids. And as they grow older, there's greater dependency on you. And you may even have elderly parents that you want to be able to take care of. Should something happen to you, maybe they're dependent upon you for that. So life insurance gives you that protection that you otherwise wouldn't have.
And it might be your surviving spouse that really is depending on the peace of mind, knowing that should anything happen, that their life isn't going to be negatively impacted too much. They're going to have their mourning period. Last thing they need to worry about at that point is their income and their financial situation at the same time.
ABC's preferred partner SelectQuote will help you compare numerous term life insurance plans. By shopping the major insurance carriers in your area, they'll help you find the right policy at the right price.
A life insurance exchange allows people to go to a single place and shop various providers in a way that they otherwise really wouldn't be able to. For instance, if you tried to go to 10 different companies and get a quote for a certain policy given your specific needs, it would take you a substantial amount of time to go to all of those companies to get that information, talk to 10 different people, tell them the same information. We allow you to do that in a one-stop shop environment. You call, we take your information, we shop the people that are out there and make sure you get the best value given your specific need.
When I called up to SelectQuote to look for life insurance, I spoke with Ariel. We had a really good conversation about what my needs were, and he explained all the options that I had, as well as what I might want to consider.
When you call SelectQuote, you're going to talk to an experienced agent. They're there to help guide you through the process. They understand, they know the right questions to ask, and are really there to help you make an informed decision.
Our agents literally have no incentive to sell one company over the other, nor one plan over the other. And so when we work with our customers, we truly are shopping in their best interest. It doesn't matter who the carrier is, doesn't matter what the plan is, we just want to give them the plan that's going to work best for them at the most affordable premium.
What felt good about working with my insurance agent is I knew that he didn't care which company I went with because he represents a whole host of them. And so he wasn't steering me towards one company or the other. He gave me options about what would suit my situation, which then made me feel comfortable about where he was coming from.
There's a trust relationship that exists when you're buying any insurance product. So having continuity throughout the process, talking to the same agent, I think is important in our overall process.
At Associated Builders and Contractors, we're looking out for you. SelectQuote's A-rated insurance carriers offer financial strength, strong customer service, and reliable claims payment. It's just one more way we're protecting your interests.
Insurance companies are rated on financial stability and performance. At your time of need, you want the confidence that the company that you're insured with is going to be there to meet your needs. At SelectQuote, we only work with A-rated companies. Those companies that we know and are confident are going to be there when you need it.
Insurance is never a good investment until you need it. So ultimately, you're planning for things that people don't want to think about. Right? Your kids have to go to school, you've got a mortgage payment, you've got a car payment, your kids want to go to college, perhaps your wife is staying at home taking care of those kids. If something would happen to the main breadwinner, you would want to make sure that your family is taken care of and provided for.
Sometimes when I talk to people about life insurance, they're on the fence. They're not sure, do I really need the policy? Do you really want the policy and that? And I really ask them just one question, look around you. Do you have a home? Do you have kids? Do if you have a wife. Those are the things that you want to protect. It's really a selfless act to take and buy a life insurance policy. It's not for you, it's for those that are left behind.
My favorite part is just simplifying the process for them, because if they choose to, they can make 30 phone calls and call 30 different companies. The neat thing about what we do here is representing all of the top carriers. We do all of that shopping for the customer. And so we find not only the best plan, but the lowest premium, and take all of that hassle and headache out of their hands.
Selecting a life insurance policy is actually pretty easy. You can go online, or you can take and call and talk to an agent. They're there to help guide you through the process. They'll ask you questions, they'll clarify any questions that you may have, and walk you through every step of the way to make sure that you get the right coverage.
There's no better way to protect your family and achieve peace of mind than by purchasing a term life insurance policy. Let your personal Select Quote agent shop the top insurance companies to find the right policy at the right price for you. Give us a call or visit our website to speak with your personal Select Quote agent today.